Hello YouTubers, subscribers and friends, welcome to my channel. We are heading over to my sister's house. Let's see what they're doing. They're supposed to be doing some projects or something over there. My son is driving and I'm sitting in the back seat for the very first time. Wanted to see what it was like to be back here. A lot of room in the back of these little Ford Focuses. Pretty comfortable. The AC works really good back here. I can feel it coming good. So come along with us. Let's go see what they're doing over there. I haven't been over there in a while. We're gonna have a barbecue today also. Polly? Well, the golf cart is back. My brother, older brother, did some stuff here. Let's see what he did here. He could have put a strap here to get this thing to open easier. He put hinges on it. My repair is still holding up. Supposedly he was supposed to fix this. Somebody painted a little flower on there. But you can't see it over there. And then he fixed this thing here. He put new stuff here so we can play the go-kart again.
Harley.
He didn't put new tires on it though. Uh-oh, Harley's barking. The strangers are here, the strangers are here.
No, Terry just let her out. She heard me barking. She has to be,
Come here, Harley.
Harley, come here.
Come here, girl.
Come on. Come here. Come here. Shitbird. I don't think she can see real well anymore.
We had a really bad windstorm that knocked down my sister's windmill here. That's how powerful the wind is over here.
Put the bolts in and let the concrete harden. But those washers aren't big enough. They'll pull right through that.
You need to go to Ace Hardware and get them some good washers, man.
Some fender washers.
That's pretty. This is pretty flimsy for such a big windmill.
Yep, but I was thinking if I hammer that out straight, these are straight, and then draw the fender washers down on it with the bolts and the concrete.
Reminds me like an old ghost town. You see this thing falling over like this in a ghost town. Doesn't like the camera. But this one likes the camera. This one likes the camera. Yes, it does. She protects her big time. Come on, let's go inside. You're making Spanish rice with the salsa?
And guacamole.
This is a salad spinner. Sure, son.
I thought you'd like it.
Making Spanish rice.
No, and then it just spins all the water off, and you can cut it.
Cilantro. We decided we need three bags of concrete, so we got to go get more concrete. And we're not going to use those. We're going to use these. And one of the projects was he was going to fix this tractor because the voltage regulator is bad. He got a new voltage regulator. And I don't know if he's going to get this. He's getting sidetracked. Here's the old voltage regulator. This thing hasn't been started since the last time he was here, like 3 weeks ago. Look at the swirl. All the fruit, all the flowers, everything is gone off of it. Remember? If you've been watching my videos, this thing was just covered with flowers and then fruit on all the friggin' tips of the thing. I think we're gonna have to make a run down to town. My son's in there helping his aunt cook. We'll look at the bedazzled fence. See the sun shining through, it's all sparkly. The fence held up that windstorm we had, but the windmill didn't. So my sister's telling me she wants a pantry right here. And she already has a pantry. Is there a light in here?
Here, look at
And she's showing me what she wants.
it. See?
It's wider, but it's not as deep as that one.
Yes, but these are going to be, that'll be just as deep. It'll stay deep, but it'll be wider so I can have more room.
Okay. Gotcha, Harley. Right. This is our couch. This is my sister's hat. She painted it. I can't tell what color it is. Got you on video, Harley. Yes, I do. She's so soft. She's so soft. Alright, got the 3 bags. We came to the hardware store instead of going into town. Ooh, it's a hot one already. Been wanting to drive this golf cart for the longest time. Come on. Keep coming. Alright, it's good. Load these up into the golf cart. My brother added these spring loaded locks here. Unlock that one over there.
How the heck do you
Slide it. There you go. Then just let it go. Need some 2x4s to make some framing to frame the concrete we're going to pour. Right, Si?
Yeah. Where did you even find this?
It's on the side of the shed over here. Learn how to use the tools.
See that? See that yellow triangle in the top of the toolbox? Grab that.
Yeah.
Okay, and then get your screw.
There you go. That's better.
And then move the tape measure, and then just run right down there.
That?
Yep.
Learning the basics. Teach you how to use a handsaw.
See how it starts? Gotta see how it's doing it? See that?
Yeah.
You just drag it back until you can get it going. And then start sawing.
How many times have
First
you done
time
this?
using a handsaw.
Farm kid, man, that's what I'm trying to tell you.
Got some new add-ons here. Look at this hook. Alright, got the wood cut. We're gonna go over here now. Get this windmill up right. Alright, getting this level. It wasn't level the first time, so
Should be in there somewhere.
we're gonna build a framer on it. Putting the anchors in there. Jerry's here. Come here, Jerry. Come. Where's Daddy? He don't want to get out of the shade.
She likes
We're slowly building the frame around here so we can fill it with concrete. He's learning. Right, son?
Yeah.
I got my nephew here, little Hercules mixing. Mixing up. We got 2 bags in here, right? 2 bags so far?
I mean, you only have to meet him a couple times.
Go on, I
Jerry's coming here to oversee the job.
shower. Why the heck did you take a shower?
Yeah, right? It's only 108 degrees outside. That's the smoothest we can get without having any concrete tools. Looks good if you ask me. Hey, they got a saying in construction. Rusty. It looks good for my house. The dishes are done. Anyways,
You're not hot.
I'm really hot. It's 108 now. This is what we're grilling today. What's it called? Mexican chicken?
Yeah.
We're not even Mexican.
Your windmill's done. Woo, man, that's really hot. Now it's time for project voltage regulator. We're gonna need a socket set, son. Looks like a 10 millimeter.
Hold on.
Take the old one off, put the new one on. Don't pull the wires off yet. Just
I'm gonna pick up the...
No, I buy them at Walmart.
another project's done. Get the new one on there. It's time to go get some lunch now.
Time to get that.
Lunchtime. Right, son?
Yeah.
Street tacos for lunch. Right, lunch was extremely delicious. Gotta get out here and walk around a little bit. I think my nephew's going to cut my son's hair. But that's all the projects we're going to do for today. Go over here and see how this concrete's doing. We didn't smooth it out because they're going to cover it with the dirt afterwards. But look at this wind, man. That is really strong. Son's driving the golf cart now. My older brother showed up for a little while. Look, here's this cactus, the fruit. This is what the prickly pear cactus fruit looks like. That is ready to eat. Yeah. Make prickly pear cactus jelly out of that stuff. Well, I think I'm going to end the video here because we're done doing projects here. And it is hot outside. So if you like these kind of videos, give me a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button. It don't cost anything, it's free. Look at them flowers right there. Remember, be kind to people. Treat people the way you would like to be treated. Treated with kindness. And if the Lord willing and the creeks don't rise, we'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. I'm gone.